Question number 11. A minimum torque of 20 Newton meter torque is given, must be applied to a jar, applied to lid of a jar for it to open. So you have a lid of a jar, you try to open it. The radius of the lid is what? 4 centimeter. Okay. What is the minimum force that must act on each side of the lid in order to open it? What is the total torque here? Total torque here should be F multiplied by this R, right? Similarly, this is F multiplied by this R. So totally, so this one is giving you a torque in a anti-clockwise direction. This is also giving, the second one is also giving a torque in an anti-clockwise direction. So therefore, total torque is nothing but 2 times F into R, okay, which should be equal to 20. Which should, now let me substitute this 2 into, I do not know what's the value of F, what's the value of R, 4 centimeter. I will write this as 4 into 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 20. 2 1s are, 2 10s are. So then you have F should be equal to 10 divided by 4 into 10 power minus 2, which should now be equal to 10 to the power of minus 2, 1 plus 1 minus 2 should be plus 1, okay, plus 3 divided by 4, 10 power plus 3 is 1000 divided by 4, which should be equal to 250 Newton. So 250 Newton, C is the right answer.